Watch out. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's
Canadians?
we got some Canadians for two Canadians. It's the sun came out today. We're at Clark Park. We're gonna have a little drink. Cheers. So let's go for a rip. Okay guys, we just got into Stanley Park at the lighthouse. We're gonna chill here for a bit. Here's another seaplane taking off. There's lots of these guys. That stuff is stanky, I can smell it far away. So the last video at the treehouse, we're over there by that bridge over there. So this is a different perspective. There's North Van over there, and that bridge on over there is called Lionsgate Bridge. So only those two bridges could get you to North Van. A cruise ship leaving soon is gonna go underneath the Lionsgate Bridge. It has to go underneath low tide, right? This one's okay, not that big, but certain ones are too big, they can't make it underneath the bridge.
No, I think that you're right. It is low tide right now.
Yeah, so this guy cleared no problem. I've seen bigger ones that just almost clear it. Okay guys, we're gonna continue our ride on the Seawall. So hope you enjoy the ride. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Drum Circle Gang. Those got tunes here, right? Fucking. Okay guys, we're back at Third Beach. What day is it today? Monday. Monday.
Drum Circle.
Monday Circle.
Yeah. Where's the cruise ship? It's gone.
Is that it?
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah.
That's the cruise ship right there that just went underneath the Lionsgate Bridge. Raccoon. Little raccoon buddy. Don't worry, there's no food here, man. You take the cans if you want.
We have to mash another beer.
Thinking the same thing we are. They want to smash another beer like us. We gotta go grab some.
It's good beats, man.
Yeah. Way better than fucking last Tuesday.
They should play something like this and play drums to
Yeah,
that.
yeah. I agree. The guy's trying to jump in, eh? The guy with the hat. He's got his own instrument trying to jump in. I hear ya.
Check out his jacket, man.
I hear you, buddy. Yeah.
It's like a fucking raincoat, blazer, something.
He's got the shoes to match too.
And the pants.
The shoes, they got the orange shoes to match.
Oh, does he?
Yeah. Okay, guys, that bonfire is kind of stinky, so we're gonna bounce. We're gonna grab some beers, and then go to another location. We just got to our usual charging spot in front of the subway here by Cannon Place. Plug it in for a few minutes, and then we're gonna head back to East Van.
I've been drinking, huh?
Oh yeah, I forgot that water. Chicken water.
Oh.
Okay, today we got this Moscow meal. We're gonna try this out. Cheers, guys.
You tried it?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's like ginger beer.
Yeah.
Gotta get the bike in there.
Okay, you both.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, look. The fighter jet.
Look, the fighter jet's cool, huh? Loud. It was loud, huh?
That was cool.
That's cool, man. Wonder what they're doing here.
They just fueled up at the airport.
Fuel up there.
Yeah. I should see them. Wait, they land, fuel up, and literally, like fucking literally 4 or 5 minutes. Boom.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, it's cool.
Thanks.
It's all electric, right?
Electric, yeah. It goes 80 kilometers per hour.
80 kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
Well, there is a limit, right? You can ride like 30, 35.
I don't know. We don't fuck the limit. Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Another one. Everyone loves this bike. It's like artwork. That's why everyone likes taking pictures of it. It's like a piece of art. Skaters never die. Here's another guy taking a picture. Like, yeah. Nice tracksuit. Yeah. They know what's up. Yeah.
Amazing, bro.
Thank you. You guys from here?
No,
No?
Mexico.
Oh, nice. Thanks. Yeah, the electric. It goes at 80 kilometers per hour.
Electric.
Yeah, very fast.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, thanks.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, enjoy your stay here in Vancouver. Yeah.
Exactly like it.
Yeah, thanks, bro. You.
December.
Yeah. One wheel guy ripping. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog now. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.